What's up, my name is Sarkin Dariya. If you don't tire for stress and high blood pressure, go and subscribe to Waff Nation. They're there on offline on Facebook and YouTube.
The most historic event where happens since Nigeria history in this primary election when passed. Kai, up to your board, peer delegate. Hey? Delegate, they are delegate. Okay? I said delegate when they were speaking English before, but they said come Abuja, come and see life. Money misroad. People when never see 100,000 before, you give them $50,000. What do you want me to do? The thing shocked them. Now so they call themselves when we say on phone, and then they gather. One call the shop. Okay? You feel like you don't want to use me for ritual. This is money too much, man. I want to work in the one paper for some code, they say 60,000. I can't drop it finish, man. Once they spend the money, and so one worker go Messiah. He said, good evening. Messiah said, ah, well, how much I want to buy? He looked at Messiah guy. Give me cow mind. That APC convention is the most beautiful thing I've ever watched in my life. Everybody came with different character. I don't know if that Okada chairman will go contest. He just come. If you are here, you love Buhari, raise your hand. Even Buhari, don't raise your hand. If you notice when he talk that thing, Buhari do face like this. You know why? No, DJ. You know why Buhari do like this? In one tone, for the first time, I see first lady sit down with him. The thing sweet me. I seen talk and I saw that I went talk to Aisha and I don't know what he talk. You don't even know that even me, I don't like it myself. If you are in Nigeria and you can survive under this regime, you can survive anywhere in the world. You know, they say Buhari sometimes they shock. One day Buhari just say, I'm surprised all those people are surviving under Buhari. Don't forget that I'm in the rule. We didn't hear the talk. Rochas come. It is in our Barutum boys. Rochas come, my people. You notice that Buhari can't allow. You think the funny Buhari, now Buhari don't look at you. He doesn't know his people. They did not want no road in Imo. Where I say Nigeria is finished. But I said, Dino Melai will come. If the guy Dino Melai, they need to flog him. Person lose election, Dino get one, go say, where's Yaya Bello? They voted for him according to his age. Say Yaya Bello is 47, he got 47 votes. Today I want to get a problem. My family is too peaceful. At least Mason Tinkarios West Station. Imagine say tomorrow night headline, popular newspaper, Nigerian comedian Sarkin Dariya in problem with Buhari. Can't believe. I don't know. You go just see my village people, somebody go just call me. Hello. Baba, I beg God don't do one for you. They send him a account number. The one went sweet to me was as one just see. I mean, when I see that you say somebody don't they share to $2,000. So I want to write, they just go and say, they just tell us, Jagaban, be like say this thing now money they don't share. Yeah, I got some problem, share for them 50,000. Another way there's a waiting in Buendi and no go like this joke. I know they fear now. If I make me best, I'll come up with this country, go my state. Because the way the country did now say they behave like states. This country too complicated. Things are hard. May nobody like for you. Things are hard. Buhari don't humble everybody. You know one good thing I like about Buhari, as everybody they contest up and down. Do you know in no point anybody say I'm candidate? Very wise man. They say, Your Excellency, who is your prepared candidate? Here response.
If I point him, they will kill him. You know, say Nigeria the best. Buhari, one of the most intelligent man alive. Koboko Band Leader. Koboko Band fighting friends, they go over, God is spray money up and down. Spray money usable to play ball. China is one nation that Nigeria is going trillions of naira and billions of dollars. They saw that in China became surprised. They said, "Come title, to the debt." I mean, this country when they hold so much debt, they come for Buhari. You claim we don't have money to pay us, and I see your citizens just spray money up and down. Why is the man? Here response. First of all, I want to assure you that those people you are saying they are not our citizens. They are your friends. I sure when they ask China, say, when they ask Chinese, say, so you don't have the kind of, as the one we hold, that is your brother. I do this and I go, Buhari, very wise man. You ask him question, he will never tell you yes or no, always diplomatic. No, there was news on social media that he wanted to come out for the third term. They now ask him on television. They say, visibly, Your Excellencies, there's this rumor parading the social media that you have planned to come out as the president for the third term. Now you are here, face to face. What are your plans? Very wise man. Here response. I said, I am not the one saying these things. But if Nigerians insist, who am I? Good night, my name is Sarkin Dariya.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Sarkin Dariya, one of Abuja's finest and Nigeria's biggest exports. Right now, all the way from the ancient city of Benin, your wine himself. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise as I bring on stage